Today, we are diving into the ultimate UHP tyre battle between the seasoned Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 and the newly launched 2025 Hankook Ventus Evo. Can the newcomer dethrone the established champion? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from the 2025 Auto-Build Summer Performance Tyre Test. The Ventus Evo outshines the Goodyear in wet conditions. It stops 1.5 meters shorter, with a braking distance of 42.7 meters compared to Goodyear's 44.2 meters, a 4% advantage. Around the wet track, the Ventus Evo is slightly faster by 0.5 km per hour, which is a 1% advantage. In straight-line aquaplaning resistance, the Ventus Evo maintains grip at 80.7 km per hour versus the 80.3 km per hour for Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6, a difference of 0.4 km per hour. On dry roads, it's a dead heat. Both tyres deliver equal stopping distance of 34 meters and identical handling speeds of 120.9 km per hour. Durability is where Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 clearly wins, offering 23% more mileage, 54,000 km versus the Ventus Evo's 41,440 km. The Ventus Evo takes a slight lead in comfort, scoring 0.3 points higher, approximately 2% better. However, the Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 compensate with lower exterior noise level, measuring 71.3 dB compared to Ventus Evo's 73.1 dB, a difference of 1.8 dB. Translating to a 2% quieter ride. Efficiency-wise, the Ventus Evo pulls ahead with a 3% lower rolling resistance. One final factor, price. The Ventus Evo is slightly higher priced, making it a 7% price difference compared to the Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6. In summary, if longevity and quietness are your main priorities, the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 is the better option. On the other hand, for those who value wet performance and comfort, the Hankook Ventus Evo is a strong contender.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.